Hi all, this is Yunus. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about how Amazon Prime Video distribute its video content across the world, how it uses AWS's network and its edge locations across the world to distribute Amazon Prime Video's video content. Let's start. So this diagram actually shows how the AWS regions are organized. As you know, AWS has multiple regions across the world. Regions is nothing but a collection, a cluster of data centers. As of now, they have 32 regions across the world, 32 regions. And each region is organized into 3 availability zones. So it will look something like this. In a region, you can represent it like a triangle, and there will be one availability zone, AZ1, and there will be another one, AZ2, and there will be another one called AZ3. And the distance between these will be something like 60 miles. And the region is organized into multiple availability zones for providing the redundancy. Even if one availability zone goes down, the other 2 availability zones are there to provide the service. And each availability zone has multiple data centers. So at high level, that is how the AWS data centers are organized. Now, our key discussion point is not about the global infrastructure of AWS, but how Amazon Prime distributes its content. Now, assume that there is a movie, which is uploaded to, say, there is a Hollywood movie, such as Jurassic Park, which is uploaded to, say, North California region, because Hollywood is nearby. And somebody who is sitting in India, say in Bangalore, wants to watch that movie. So he or she will request for that particular movie, and it may, in normal circumstances, it will get downloaded from this region. It may travel through, of course, the undersea cables under Pacific actually, but here, because I can't show Pacific clearly, I'm going to assume that it is going to travel all the way through the Atlantic and through the Indian Ocean, and finally it will land up in, say, Mumbai, and from Mumbai it will go through some land cable, and finally it will reach Bangalore. So in this case, the signal will be traveling like 15,000 miles. And to download each MB of that video, it will take a few seconds, and the video viewing experience of the user sitting in Bangalore, India is going to be horrible. There will be buffering, there will be delays, there will be stopping of videos, etc. Nobody wants to watch movie like that. So ideally, what should happen is, this distance need to be reduced. The distance between where the video is stored and where the customer is physically located, that has to be reduced. How can they reduce that? They are actually reducing that distance using a service called CloudFront. CloudFront is the global content delivery network of AWS. For that, what they have done is, they have established what is called edge locations across the globe. See, this diagram actually represents the edge locations, where edge locations are small data centers set up across the world. As of October 2023, there are 510 plus edge locations across the globe. And the movie which is uploaded to, say, North California region, it actually gets downloaded to these edge locations as part of the CloudFront network. There are several edge locations in India as well. There are 50 plus edge locations in India. In Bangalore, there are 5. So it gets downloaded to the edge locations in Bangalore, and whenever somebody sitting in Bangalore requests for that movie, it gets downloaded from one of the nearby edge locations. As I mentioned earlier, the edge locations hold the video contents in its cache memory. And here you can see some more information about the CloudFront edge locations or the global edge network. I'll give you the link in the video description. So if you come down, you can see the same map, and each of these circles actually represent multiple edge locations. Currently there are 550 plus edge locations. You can see that here, 550 plus edge locations, and in most of them are in North America, but in India there are 50 plus edge locations. The list is given here. In North America there are 200 plus, but if you come down in Asia, you can see Delhi 14, Mumbai 8, Bangalore 5, and they don't publish the address of these locations, but they actually provide how many edge locations are there in each of these cities. Okay, so Amazon Prime uses this CloudFront network to distribute its video contents. There are several other OTT platforms such as Disney Hotstar, Netflix, which uses AWS network. So this is how video content delivery happens in AWS. So that's it about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come back with more useful videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.